Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change currency in the Skyscanner app. So first up, you'll have to make sure that it is fully up to date, okay? Just go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. Now look for Skyscanner. Tap on it, and once done, make sure that it is up to date. If there is no update button, well, you're good to go. Just go ahead and tap on open and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now in here, just tap on settings, okay? Tap on it. And here, as you can see, under regional section, we have currency, country or region, and other settings, okay? Just tap on currency. Now, if you can't find your currency right here, you have the search function. Just tap on it. Maybe we'll change it to peso right here. We have Argentine peso right here, Cuban peso, Mexican peso, also Colombian peso, okay? Now going back, for example, I'm trying to use maybe North Korean won. Just tap on it, hit on save. Once done, go ahead and select a flight, okay? Like so. And as you can see here, it's now changed to Korean won. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.